Hello! I recently learned how to make this recipe and decided to present it to you. Today, I'm going to make a brownie, which is a typical dessert, a typical chocolate dessert from the United States. This recipe takes 2 eggs, 100 of melted butter, 1 cup of wheat, and 1 cup of sugar. The method of preparation is as follows. First, let's melt the butter, which I already mentioned. So, then we will beat the 2 eggs as in an omelette. So, after that, we will mix in a separate container only what is powder. 1 cup of wheat, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of chocolate. So, and mix. So, after ready, we will put in a greased pan, and let it bake for 30 or 40 minutes. And now we are going to put the liquids in here. The 2 eggs and 100 grams of melted butter. So just mix it until it becomes homogeneous. After the brownie is ready, it is usually served with ice cream or jam, but you can serve with whatever you want or just eat it yourself. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much, and bye bye.